back to the next iHunter unboxing video. And we have some pretty amazing stuff here, so let's get started. So, we'll start with the Apple Pencil and get the iPad last. Not too amazing of an unboxing experience for the Apple Pencil, but I mean, it's a pencil. Oh, it's a pull tab. There we go. Designed by Apple in California. See if we get anything with the pencil. Besides just paperwork. And nothing with the previous version of Apple Pencil. You actually got some replacement tips for the pencil, but it looks like you don't get that with this version. And it's, wow, pretty nice. I can see what everyone meant by matte finish, and then just like the previous version, the tip screws off, so if you do need a replacement tip, that's available for purchase. And it seems nice. It has a little Apple Pencil branding. With the new version, it won't roll away. It has a little stopper there. So yeah, we'll try that out in 1 second. Now let's get to the keyboard. So there we go. Get the plastic off. This one does lift off. The Apple Pencil kind of tricked me there. And here is the cover. So, unlike the previous version of Smart Cover, this one is a little different. So, the previous one did not, you get some paperwork. Nothing special, just some regular paperwork. It does protect the back now. So the previous version only protected the front, whereas this one does protect the back now. It doesn't protect the sides, however. The whole iPad just magnets to the whole thing, which is kind of a weird concept we haven't seen before. And it has the little connectors right there. And the keyboard seems to be the same exact keyboard that was on the previous version of the iPad. And now, the moment we have all been waiting for. Yeah, you do have a pull tab on this one. Unlike the iPhones, this one goes along the side instead of the back. Some people had some trouble with this in their other videos. The iPad is so light and the box is like a different material now. You actually have a hard time getting the box open. It takes like a while. It doesn't just lift off like their previous boxes. And the moment we have all been waiting for. It smells amazing. Man. So it is very, very thin. It has a very big camera on it too, which is weird because the camera is not that big. There's a lot of space around the cameras. So it has USB-C. I can see all of the speakers for it. There's the docking mechanism for the Apple Pencil. Smart connector on the back. Beautiful, beautiful space gray finish. But we'll get to the iPad in 1 second. I can also see the Face ID sensors. So in the box, is that it? We get some Apple stickers, and these are big Apple stickers. They are bigger than all of the other ones. A thing that tells you how to go home, because this new iPad does not have a home button. So it does have the all-new iPhone 10 design. USB-C cable, it looks like a smaller version, but in general the same exact USB-C cable as the MacBooks. And it has a charging brick, which is a charging brick we have never seen before. So it has the USB-C end right there, and it is white. It almost looks like a giant version of the iPhone charger, and it does not have the folding prongs like the previous iPads had. So now, with that all aside, let's get to the moment we have all been waiting for. There it goes. So I just cannot get over how beautiful this iPad is. So one very weird thing is, it does seem to have a cellular band on it, and this is not a cellular version. It's just the regular, not cellular version. Got the hello here, swipe up to continue. The bezels are like perfect on this side. You can hold it very comfortably and without it like... So there's a microphone on the side, 2 microphones on the top, no microphones on the bottom, continue. Yes, we would like to set up Face ID. Here we go. Getting some sound effects with Face ID. So one thing I find a little puzzling is there is no notch on here, obviously. You can see the iPad, it has no notch. Face ID is right there in the bezel. But they did separate the time, date, and all the other stuff for some reason from the middle. So I don't know why that is. Maybe it's to make people more convenient with that. That later, because it gives us an option. So this is looking amazing. So let's try Face ID. Supposedly works from every angle. And if you are covering the camera, I think you get a little message. Yes, you are covering the camera. Now let's pair this Apple Pencil. Well, that is cool. Yes, I would like to connect this Apple Pencil. Everything you can do with an Apple Pencil. Now, watch this. This is a cool part. So the Apple Pencil is actually only coming with 3% charge, which is a little sad. Let's try this in Notes. Welcome to Notes. Writing. I am writing with the Apple Pencil. Oops, I need to erase that. Back to writing. That accident was actually on accident. This is nice. And then we'll go in and highlight some stuff. Need to make that a little bigger. Let's try the smart cover now, though. So where's the camera? Camera's right there. And it just pops in. Pretty nice. And now we got a nice case for it. It's like a silicone material, the case is. This is a long unboxing video, by the way. And we got the Apple Pencil. And we have our whole setup going here with the Apple Pencil and the Smart Keyboard case. Let's try typing on the Smart Keyboard case. Put it in its lap setup. Try this. Now let's try it in the desktop view form. This is pretty nice. That's pretty cool. So, yes, this is an amazing iPad. I am really loving it so far. Expect a full review to come very soon on my channel, probably tomorrow. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye. Be sure to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, check out this video right here, or check out my website, www.ihunterproductions.weebly.com. Thanks for watching.